Objective 2, interpret percentiles. Recall that the median, which is the median of a variable, is the value that lies in the middle of the data when arranged in ascending order, divides the lower 50% of a data set from the upper 50%. The median is a special case of a general concept called the percentile. The kth percentile, denoted p subscript k, of a set of data is a value such that k% of the observations are less than or equal to the value. Now the figure below shows or displays the 99 possible percentiles. Okay, so let's take a look at the first percentile, percentile 1. So if we look at P1, okay, what this represents is the bottom 1%. Okay, if we take a look at P2, this represents the bottom 2%. Okay, likewise, okay, over here we would say that 98% represents the top 2%. And then for P with a subscript of 9, this represents the top 1%. Because if you take 100 and subtract 99, that gives us 1%. If you take 100 and subtract 98, it's going to give you 2%. Now, percentiles are used to give the relative standing of an observation. Many standardized exams, such as the SAT, use percentiles to let students know how they scored on the exam in relation to all others who took the exam. So let's take a look at an example. Interpreting a percentile. Jennifer just received the results of her SAT exam. Her math score of 600 is at the 74th percentile. Interpret this result. Now, the fact that an observation is at the kth percentile means that k% of the observations are less than or equal to the observation. Now, a percentile rank of 74 means that 74% of the SAT math scores are less than or equal to 600. And therefore, 26% of the scores are greater than 600. So we would say that 26% of the students who took the exam scored better than Jennifer. Now, how do we get the 26%? Well, what we do is we take the 100%, which is the full 100%, and then we subtract the 74%, which gives us the 26%.